Getting a real answer from political candidates is like nailing jello to the wall. That's why governing under the influence teaches bird dogging, which is the persistent asking of questions to presidential candidates to influence the political debate.
You want to put the candidate on the spot.
They allowed your story crafter to record a training, provided we hide the identity of students.
What we're all about is trying to shift the political debate in New Hampshire, and by shifting the political debate in New Hampshire, trying to shift the political debate in the whole country. We had somebody ask Jeb Bush a question about incarceration of immigrants in for-profit prisons, and Jeb Bush talked to her for a while and said, "Here's my card." And she ends up getting a half-hour phone call with an immigration advisor to Jeb Bush. Our Governing Under the Influence project is strictly nonpartisan. We want to shift the political discourse into talking about excessive corporate power and the threats to democracy that come from them.
But I really have to ask you, there is other candidates are talking about a quota to fulfill detention beds. And I want to know what you think of that.
Folks should decide in their state, do we have a need to build more prisons or not? If we don't, then we shouldn't. And if you want to use private facilities, you can.
We need to do something about, corporations that run prisons and detention centers that basically get paid if the beds are filled.
That there is a Washington to Wall Street axis of power in which the donor class feeds the political class, who then dances the tune of the donor class. If it ever feels like that folks out here in the middle of America have been left out of the process, it's because people in the middle of America have been left out of the process.
Tip number 13 is go potty.